director in today's event to appoint or call on somebody who is going to be the chief launcher in today's event. We're going to have a chief launcher, a co-launcher, and other launchers just to support this project, because without fund, they won't be able to organize their meetings, they won't be able to produce their monthly bulletin. Ladies and gentlemen, if you could please join me inviting to the microphone the person I'm gonna ask to be our chief launcher in today's event to come and encourage this project of the monthly bulletin publication. Permit me, ladies and gentlemen, to invite, if I may ask you, Chief Honorable Ikenna Ude, Logistics, please come to the mic. He's a Korean man.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, the chiefs in the high table, and the representative of the Consulate General. I'm happy to be a partner to this great event. It's my honor and privilege as well to be the chief launcher. I like the bulletin. It got some vital information, interviews, and a lot. I've been through it while I was sitting there. I would like to encourage the new executive to do more and to work on it. I also watched the swearing-in ceremony. I will as well encourage them not to fail the Union and the Nigerians here in South Africa, because a lot are being aimed at them. And we, the Nigerians here in South Africa, we really need a platform whereby our opinions, views, can be channeled to the authorities as well. So I really believe this is a good platform, and I encourage the new executives to do more. And I congratulate them once again. Coming to the launching, I will support it with the sum of 2,000 rands. Thank you.
Put your hands together again for him. We thank you, Chief Ude. To the microphone, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to join me in inviting to the microphone the person we've all chosen to be the co-launcher in today's event. This is a huge project, ladies and gentlemen, and without finance, like I said, it's not gonna go anywhere. Please join me in welcoming to the microphone Chief Abuchi Makibe.